Guys, I am being fully transparent. I've made a lot of money in the past couple of years from deving meme coins. I was extremely early to deving meme coins and I saw the opportunity from the start. This is exactly why I am making this video. I've made enough money. Now it's time to show you exactly on how to create viral coins consistently. So in this video, you are going to have a live breakdown of my entire strategy for completely free. I am the most transparent guy on YouTube, so I do not sell a course. Let's go. Now, let me expose the secret about the entire space. You guys need to realize before deving that deving meme coins is insanely profitable compared to trading. The traders, for example, they are buying coins blindly, hoping for the coin to pump, but the complete opposite happens. The coin pumps and then it dumps and he loses his entire position. And this is exactly why deving meme coins is so insanely profitable. 90% of these coins end up going to zero, but the devs, they make money when the coin goes down because they're the ones selling their supply and making thousands of dollars when the coin dumps. And also, bro, they make money when the coin goes up because the coin needs to go up and gain buyers for them to make money from the creator fees and for their bags to increase in profits. So that's exactly why you guys need to start deving in 2026 right now. Obviously, it's your choice, but in this video, I will show you exactly from A to Z on how to start deving because I will even do a live example to show you what's possible. Let's go. And guys, I am not a financial advisor at all. This entire video is made for educational purposes only, so please be aware. Even though I will be launching a coin live, which is a real coin on chain, it's still all for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, guys. Cap. Now look, here's exactly where I launch my meme coins to reach the most amount of people to buy my coin. I make my coins on create memes.io, and here's why. Every single coin that you are going to launch here will go to Raydium and reach a bunch of people. If you guys do not know what the Raydium Dex is, it is a migration section. When a coin migrates, bro, it gets a bunch of credibility and usually it gets a bunch of volume. I cannot guarantee you that your coin will go extremely viral, but it can get a lot of buyers, just like this one, the most recent launch, and that's exactly why I launch on Raydium. Now look, you guys have to stop using Pump.Fun. It's dead and over competitive. Instead, launch on Raydium on create memes.io. Now, you could either create a coin from scratch or you can use their X tracker and turn tweets into coins live, like this one, breaking news. You could turn that into a meme coin within seconds. It's up to you. But there's also a third method which I use every single day. It is my personal favorite method. I think we're going to use this strategy for this video. Basically, we're going to be copying trending coins. Every single coin that you see here is going viral or just gaining a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun, or it's just proven to get buyers, right? Just like this narrative, we will be copying one coin from here and launching it to Raydium and using that narrative to get buyers on our coin. But now it's time to actually create and dev a coin live on chain and then see how much we can make from this launch within like a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes. We will see. Okay, keep watching, take your notes out. It's going to be important to watch the next steps of this video right now. Now obviously guys, connect your Phantom wallet, okay, and then click on refresh, and then now let's copy a coin. Usually when I approach this method, I just copy a coin, I go for run. If it doesn't work right, if it only gets like 100 to like 500 bucks worth of buys, well, I just move on to the next coin and I just bag that couple $100 worth of profits. Okay, I'm gonna go for the opal coin, or I'm gonna just go for this one. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this one. I choose random coins, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, and then click on confirm, and the coin will be created. Just wait, it should load up real soon. And then bang. Now let's create the liquidity pool, right? And here is where we create our pool. We allocate the supply and we have the supply before everyone else. That is the whole point of this page. Click on 90%. For the dev buy, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.5 SOL. Anywhere under or over that is too much or not enough. So put 0.3 if you want to. Okay, 0.5, 1 SOL, anything works. This is a dev buy. Basically, it is required to put 0.3 to 0.5 here. Like that, you can have supply and make profits when the coin goes up, okay? And then click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm. The coin will be created, just wait. Okay. Bang, it's created. Refresh, and bang! Now the coin is live. As you guys can see, okay, 900 mil in supply, and your status of the coin is going to be right there. Your profits are going to show up right there. Let's go see our chart. You can use any trading platform, just go find your coin, okay? As you guys can see, it's already pumping a lot. People are buying in. This is exactly why the Raydium DEX is insane for buyers or just to make profits. Let me click on refresh to see how much we're up. We're already up $250, guys. We're already up 200 bucks. Like, this is insane in my opinion. Like, no other method is going to give you 250 bucks within 10 seconds of the launch without risking anything. Okay, no marketing. I risk nothing. Okay, I did no marketing. These are all random people. I have no clue why like this method is so untapped. But yeah, I'm exposing everything. I'm gonna let the coin pump. I'm gonna be right back. Let's go. Alright guys, I am back and let's actually see how much we made from this coin. We're up a lot of money, 130k market cap. Come back to create memes.io, right? And click on refresh and bang, we're up 2.5k from this meme coin in like 10 minutes. That is the power of deving coins, by the way. That's insane. This came from the creator fees from every single transaction and from our supply that we own. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then wait. Bang! I just deved the coin and I sold my supply. And boom, it's in my phantom wallet, guys. I am not capping. I do this shit every single day, and 2.5k is in my phantom wallet. Okay, now obviously if you want to start doing this every single day for yourself, create memes.io will be linked down below. Like, subscribe, and comment, and just stay consistent. A bunch of people come in my Discord, okay, they DM me and they're asking why they only make $100 to $200 per coin. Well, the truth is that they have to be consistent. Me too, sometimes I make like only 100 bucks per coin, but it's not a big deal. Just stay consistent.